We'll guide you through how to access the latest updates for ChatGPT. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the official OpenAI website, which is openai.com. Once you're there, you need to log in to your account. Look for the login button at the top right corner and click on it. Enter your credentials and sign in. After logging in, navigate to the dashboard by clicking on your profile icon at the lower left, which will display a drop-down menu. From the menu, select Release Notes. This is your main hub for accessing all things ChatGPT. On the dashboard, look for the Updates or What's New section. This is usually prominently displayed on the main page or in the sidebar. Click on it to view the latest updates and features available for ChatGPT. Sometimes these updates might include bug fixes, new features, or improvements to existing functionalities. It's important to read through these updates to understand how they can enhance your experience. If you want to receive notifications about future updates, go to the Settings section, which you can find by clicking on your profile icon again. In the settings, look for notifications and make sure to enable email notifications or any other options available to stay informed about the latest developments. Accessing the latest updates ensures you're using ChatGPT to its full potential, leveraging all the new improvements and features that OpenAI offers. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.